It's governor versus chief minister now. Goa Governor Mridula Sinha has rejected CM's proposal of extension of Vice Chancellor Dr. Satish Shetye. Governor has asked Dr. Satish Shetye to hand over his charge to Y. Reddy. Governor has asked Vice Chancellor Dr. Shetye to relieve Registrar Vijayendra Kamath also today. Today is the last day of their service at Goa University. Currently, this issue is doing political rounds in circles.
CM Parsekar had sent a proposal to Goa Governor to extend Goa University's Vice Chancellor's term by another 2 years. But sources say Mridula Sinha has rejected government's proposal. She has informed that Friday will be the last day of Registrar Vijayendra Kamath and Vice Chancellor Dr. Shetye at Goa University. Governor's stand against government's proposal has become an issue in the political circles. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Nationalist Congress Party says Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar is pressurizing Governor over the appointment of the Vice Chancellor. NCPA has also criticized the Goa government for its proposal to shift the NGT bench from Pune to Delhi. While claiming that ACB is controlled by communal forces, NCP spokesperson Trajano condemned the notices served by ACB to Luisin Falero and Pratap Singh Rane in SEDEL land allotment cases.
Now the government is proposing to have the NGT bench in Delhi. The eco-sensitive and the CRZ and the no development zone properties or land of Goa is being defended by the NGT and not by this government. And that too, it is the common man who approaches the NGT and has saved so much of land of Goa. To make it difficult, the common man, they want to shift the NGT to Delhi. Demand that an NGT bench be brought to Goa. जिल्हाचे वक्त त्यांना पार्टी लाईन झाले बिचोले गेले पेडणे गेले तुझे कॅन्डिडेट पडले बहुत रक्षा मंत्री गेलो बे त्यांना रिजेक्टिंग द प्रपोजल ऑफ द कॅबिनेट ऑफ गोवा अगेन माय अपील टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर दिस वॉज डन अंडर प्रेशर ऑफ द डिफेंस मिनिस्टर who wanted to help Mr. Shetye, and I have reasons to say so. It is very clear, I am again repeating, that he has come to the wards of municipalities because the BJP has told him to end footing पण हांगा करून सोडलाय की आमका तोंड ना तूच येवन आमका भाषा करेक्ट करून उडयले. टू टॉप मेन ओपोजिशन लिडरांक ACB नोटिसी धाडल्या सेस प्रकारांचेर. इंचो वो BJP is a party of vengeance and anger and revenge. So म्हाका आतां चिंतचें पडटलें आमचेर केन्ना फ्रेम जातली चार्ज पळय ती. It has become very clear that the ACB is remotely controlled by an extra constitutional authority. Therefore, Parsekar's brother-in-law got arrested without even Parsekar knowing about it. Therefore, it is our demand should be handed over to the CBI.
Goa government's ambitious Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva health insurance scheme will benefit the recent resident non-Goans too. People who have resided in Goa for minimum 5 years will be eligible for the scheme, but the scheme on paper since 2013 is yet to see the implementation. There are almost 4 lakh families in Goa. Health Minister Francis D'Souza exclusively spoke to Prudent.
BJP-led government was vocal enough to start its new Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva health insurance scheme. Hence, it scrapped the Swar Jayanti Arogya Yojana scheme of erstwhile government in 2013. 1,71,240 families had the health insurance cards. The scheme was in force for just 1.5 years. But it's almost 3 years now. The new scheme is yet to see the light of the day. The new health scheme of the government will benefit all the Goans who have resided in Goa for minimum 5 years. Currently, Goan families have touched a mark of 4 lakhs. Families with 3 members will be given a medical insurance cover up to 2.50 lakh rupees, and for families more than 3 members it will be 4 lakhs.
सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार सरकार सादारणचे 15 लाख लोकांक युनिवर्सल इन्शुरन्स स्कीम तयार करता आनी सादारणचे 3 लाख घराबे म्हणटा 3 लाख हाऊस होल्ड 3 लाख फॅमिलीज हितून कवर जातले आनी जो गोंयान 5 वर्सां वयर रावता तो हितून इन्क्लूड आहा.
नॉन गोवनी बीन भितर आसतले
5 वर्सां गोंयांत रावता ताका आमी गोंयकार धरता हितून एक फायदो जातलो कित्याक गोंयकार फाल्यां कितके लोक इन्शुरन्स घेता पळय तेजेर आमकां अंदाज गावतलो भायले लोक कित्याक कितको ट्रिटमेंट घेता पळय ते मागीर इन्शुरन्स एक फस्ट स्टार्ट जालें की ना पयल्या जे कोणा कडेन इन्शुरन्स ना न्हू म्हणजे पयले 3 महिने तेंच्यानी 33% भरचे पडटले जे 6 महिने पासून करूंक ना तांकां 60% आनी वर्सभर पासून करूंक ना तांकां फूल पेमेंट. कालचे मिटिंगेन जी ऑब्जेक्शनां सजेशनां प्री बीड घेतलेली पळय आमी ती आमी रिजॉल्व केल्या. तरी आसतना आतां फ्रेश डॉक्युमेंट अपलोड करतले आमी फ्रेश ड्राफ्ट आनी तेजेर कितें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा ती घेतले आनी मागीर तो फायनलायज जातलो फायनान्शियल बिडाक.
Goa government employees will not be eligible for the scheme. The beneficiaries can also avail the scheme outside the state if the hospital covered under the scheme has branches outside Goa.
50,000 घराबे हितून इन्क्लूड आमचे गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट आहा तेंचे सरकारचे मेडिक्लेम आहा तांकां म्हणजे ते कवर जाल्ले ना हितून. जेन्ना आमी इन्शुरन्स प्रिमियम भरतले पळय तेन्ना हॉस्पिटलां एम्पॅनल जातली म्हणजे इन्शुरन्स कंपनी सांगतल्यो हे अमक्या अमक्या हॉस्पिटलांनी तुमी वचान ट्रिटमेंट घेवं येता आनी ते हॉस्पिटलां आख्खे हिंदुस्तान बऱ्योय आसतली गोंयांनी आसतले हिंदुस्ताना भायरूय म्हणजे गोंया भायरूय आसतले म्हणटकच हेजो फायदो गोंयानूच जावचो ना गोंया भायरूय आमचे गोंयकार वयता तांकांय फायदो जावं.
It's been 3 years the scheme is yet to start. Now, with the adding up of recent resident non-Goans too as beneficiaries, the financial burden of the scheme is yet to be ascertained. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.